just similar to PEMDAS, but G stands for grouping here. So that could be numbers that are in parentheses together, in brackets together, or in the curly brackets together over here. And then we have exponents, we have multiplication, division, and remember that these go from left to right, and same with addition and subtraction. Oops. So whatever you see first going left to right with multiplication, division, that's what you do first, and then same thing with addition and subtraction. So we have our first problem, 11 plus 24 divided by 8 times 4. Remember that little dot means multiplication. So looking at this, I have addition, division, and multiplication. So looking at our list over here, I know that multiplication, division is from left to right. So I'm going to do division first because that's what I see when I read it from left to right like a book. So if I do 24 divided by 8, that gives me 3. And then bring down everything else. So I have 11 plus 3, and then times 4. And then next, it's either addition or multiplication. And I know that multiplication comes first, so 3 times 4 is 12. And then I bring it down, and then 11 plus 12 is 23. So that's my final answer. All right, on number 2, I have 8 plus, and then in parentheses, 7 minus 3 plus 2. And so because I have parentheses here, I know that I'm going to do everything inside there first. So I kind of do GEMDAS just in the parentheses again. So I have subtraction and addition. And I know that subtraction is first here because it's first when I read it left to right. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And I write everything down again. And then I'm still inside the parentheses here. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And I drop the parentheses because there's nothing to do inside them anymore. And then 8 plus 6 is 14. All right, number 3. So here I have 2 cubed, which remember that means 2 times 2 times 2. So I'm doing this base number this number of times. All right, and then I have plus 3 times 5 minus 4. So again, I'm doing what's in the grouping first, or the parentheses. So 5 minus 4 is 1. I bring everything else down. And now here I have exponents, addition, and multiplication. Remember, if there's a number next to the parentheses like this, there's an invisible multiplication symbol in the middle. So I know that I do exponents before adding or multiplying. So 2 cubed would be 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Oops. And then 4 times 2 would be 8. So I get 8 plus, bring down 3 times 1. I do multiplication before addition, so 3 times 1 is 3, and then I add 8 plus 3, and my answer is 11.